Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your LG set supports the YouTube app, check WebOS version and internet. Once connected to Wi-Fi, sign into your Google account on another device so pairing works. Make sure the TV firmware and LG Content Store are updated. This prevents app installation errors. Now open the Content Store and search YouTube. By doing these prerequisite steps first, you minimize interruptions and prepare both devices for the quick pairing and app install that follow. You install the YouTube app from the LG Content Store and launch it. When prompted, choose Sign In. Next, decide whether to pair with your phone or use the TV code method. Both are fast. If you pick the code, go to YouTube. com/activate on your phone or PC and enter the 6 to 8-digit code shown on screen. Once authorized, your subscriptions and watch history sync. Make sure the controlling device uses the same Google account to avoid account mismatch. You finalize setup by tuning playback and accessibility. Set video quality, captions, and audio output inside the YouTube app so playback matches your connection and preferences. Once done, use the LG remote, cast from your phone, or control playback via the paired device for easier navigation. If streaming stutters or the app crashes, reinstall YouTube, reboot your TV and router, and confirm firmware is current. That single troubleshooting tip, reinstall then reboot, solves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.